ৰাজনীতি কৰা মানুহবিলাকৰ লগত মই আচলতে ইমান ইনভলভ নহয়। আচলতে কোন ভাল কোন বেয়া সেইটো আচলতে যোনে গালি পায় সি একেটাই হৈ যোৱা দেখা যায়। কিন্তু ৰাহুল গান্ধীৰ বিশেষ কিছুমান মন্তব্য যিটো জুবিনদাৰ ঘৰত আহি তেওঁ কৰিছিল, খুব মনটো চুই গ'ল, আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়ালোঁ।
Under these circumstances, I mentioned to the family that I would have liked to come under better circumstances, happier circumstances. When I was 17 years old, I went for a mountaineering course in Sikkim. And every day when we would go for training, I would see Kanchenjunga, Mount Kanchenjunga in front of us. And what I liked about the mountain was that it was honest, transparent, unshakable, and beautiful. Today, while I was coming, Gaurav said that Zubinji said that he was Kanchenjunga. And immediately it connected to me that he was Kanchenjunga because he had the qualities of Kanchenjunga. You can see the worth of a person in their house. I just came from Zubinji's house. He had wealth, he had success, and he had humility, which is something that Assam should be extremely proud of. I told Zubinji's father that his wisdom, his support built Zubinji, gave a voice to this wonderful state, and that we all thank him, the entire family, and of course Zubin Garg-ji for what they have done, not just for Assam but for the whole country. I said, I'm sad when I come here. It's a tragedy that the whole state has faced. I spoke to the family and they only said one thing to me, that we have lost our Zubin, and all we want is that the truth should be clear, that we who love him so much and the people of Assam who heard him, whose lives he changed, who also loved him, want to know what happened, and they want to know what happened because they want closure. And I think it is the duty of the government to quickly investigate what has happened, transparently investigate what has happened, and tell the family, Zubinji's widow, his sister, father, other family members, exactly what happened in Singapore. I said that myself and the Congress party are there to support them in any way, and if there's anything we can do, we're more than happy to help. I want to offer my condolences to the people of Assam who have suffered this cruel blow without expecting. From the blue, you lost someone so important, someone you loved. I stand with you in your grief. Thank you.